Each ProstaStream bottle includes 60 tablets. It simply takes 2 tablets to live a life devoid of the devastating symptoms of an enlarged prostate. The 100%, no questions asked money-back warranty makes sure that the product is not a scam. It appears from reading the testimonials that ProstaStream is a successful option for dealing with prostate difficulties in males. As this is an entirely natural product, no negative results have been documented. 180-day supply, 6 bottles at a rate per bottle of $49 each. 90-day supply, 3 bottles, priced at $59 a bottle. 1 bottle, this plan costs $69. 60-day money-back warranty. This dietary supplement promotes the great health of the prostate. The item is completely organic. There are no chemicals or ingredients present. 3 reduced packages are offered from business. Free shipping throughout the United States. The supplement is just available online. The failure to empty the bladder might be quite undesirable, particularly if it takes place during the night. Why sustain all the needless trouble when the answer is so easily available? What is the purpose of costs countless dollars on therapies that only provide short-term comfort and are riddled with adverse results? Envision how excellent it would be to no longer feel humiliated by regular restroom journeys and to get up feeling energetic knowing that restroom journeys are just important when essential and not 20 times every day. The pointers and clues we give up this article, when followed as advised, should assist you with either boosting what you have actually proactively done, or assist you with starting great. Thanks for watching. Please check out the link in this video's description for the official discount.